Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and today I'm doing an unboxing of some designer items that I bought from my friend Janet and Bryn over at Happy Hour Haulers. And I'm super excited because I have no idea what is in this box, and it's some designer items and I'm not even sure exactly what's in there, but I'm super stoked because, as you know, I have a store that I'm trying to ramp up, and yay for that. So by the way, if you like this kind of content, unboxings and talking about reselling and eBay and things like that, please do. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, it'd be wonderful if you did. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I'm only about 20 away, 19 away. And so if you hit that subscribe button, that would really help me out. So, and also if you could, click on like, if you do like this content. If you don't, maybe not. But anyway, if you could do that, it would help me greatly. All right. Thank you so much for being here. I'm super stoked. As you know, every Wednesday I am going to be doing an unboxing / sale, and so items in this video will be for sale. So maybe I will, decide to keep some of them. I'm not sure, but let's open this baby up. Oh, I got the box upside down now. I just realized. But let's open this up. It's a mystery box from Janet. It was Janet, but Janet and Bryn are both part of Happy Hour Haulers. And as you probably know, I was just down in California hanging out with Janet and Jamie. Janet from Happy Hour Haulers, Jamie from AKA The Bag Lady, and Pat from Pat Garza. We all stayed at Pat's house. It was so fun. You should see Pat's pool. Oh my gosh, it's just insane. Okay, are you ready? All right, I just opened the box and we're just going to pull out one thing after another here. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Janet. Hermes. Are you kidding me? They're Hermes men's loafers. They're size 42. Of course, Hermes holds their value. Look at, they're in good shape. They're not in great shape. They're in okay shape, I would say. But I'm going to brush out that suede a little bit. If anyone is interested in these are men's. I know I don't have a lot of men following the channel, but I know I have some. So if you guys are interested, please do let me know. It looks like the heel's a little coming off. That's probably why, some of this I think Janet probably did get in one of her boxes that she got from the Real Real. But look at, I gotta show you the logo. These are so gorgeous. I love Hermes. They're so luxurious. This heel is fine, by the way. The other one just needs to be tacked back on or glued back on or whatever. But here they are, size 42. Well, they don't have to be for men, by the way. A 42 could be women. I don't know what that is in women's sizing, but wow. I can't believe it. Janet, those are so good. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Okay, now here is another one that certainly, oh my gosh. This certainly came in a DIY box. Wait till you see this thing. Oh my gosh. It's a Prada dress. Oh, and it is just, I don't know. I might have to keep this. I'm going to try it on. And I think this kind of dress usually does fit me. It's a 42, which I don't usually wear a 42. I wear bigger than a 42. But it's that, what is that material where it's got stretch to it. It's like a knit. I mean, look at these pockets, though. They're gold leather. Gold, and then there's black leather underneath it. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me show you oh my gosh. This is insane. By the way, this did come from the Real Real because they have the green tag. When they put that green tag on there, that means that they have authenticated it. So it's an authenticated Prada dress, knit material, stretch material, and it's a size 42. Which is that a size, I want to say 10, but I'm not positive. I'll put it up on the screen. I am going to be trying this and probably going to be keeping it. This is ridiculous. I got to find a place to go out for dinner. This is just beautiful. And I don't see anything wrong offhand, but I'll have a good look through. I don't see anything wrong with this. Just looking around at all the different places here, and I don't see anything wrong. It's like sweaterish material. Okay. I could be done with this box right now, and I would be so happy with it. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Unreal. Okay. Sheepers, this is just, oh my gosh. Janet, you sent me way too good of stuff. Way too good. I can't even believe this. Oh my gosh. What is this? Look at this skirt. Oh, to wear this size, whatever it is too small for me. But oh my gosh. This, I think I used to wear about this size back in the day. But that's not today. Okay, let's see. This is a size 38, which I think is it's a size 2 or 4. It's Roberto Cavalli. It is just ridiculously cute. This is the front, and then this is the back. Oh my gosh. It's black, and the bottom part is like, I don't know what that material is, but it's almost like chiffon, the bottom part, and the top is nylon. It's just beautiful. And I was going to show you the tag. Where's the tag? Yeah. Yeah, and there's even the authentication tag right on it. So that's, I can't even believe this, honestly. This is better than any DIY box I've gotten lately, I'll tell you that much. Oh my gosh. Janet, I cannot wait till you see this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is okay. It has some wear to the outer, not much. I have some really good canvas cleaner, and I'm going to use that and try. The inside is perfect. Look at this. I mean, it's just perfect. I can't believe, Janet, you sent me this for. I can't. I don't even understand. Anyway, look at this thing. I can't believe. How am I going to sell that? I think I'm going to have to keep. Look at how beautiful that is. I love Louis Vuitton. I'm a Louis Vuitton lover. So, okay. I can't believe there's more in this box. There's a lot more. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next up is this zipper-on kind of pebbled leather wallet. And it, oh my God. Jan, I'm sorry. I'll try not to say it again. This is Louis Vuitton. Look at this. It's Louis Vuitton. There's the logo right there. Oh, I cannot even believe this. These are worth a lot of money. I can't even believe she included this in here. Okay, the zipper does work. It's a little bit rough working, but SK Louis Vuitton, made in Spain. The inside is immaculate. Look at that. I can't even believe this. So the one thing I do have to say is there's a little bit of peeling right here. That's probably the worst thing. Other than that, it's really in good condition. The zipper zips a tiny bit rough, and there's a little bit wear to the edges here. But other than that, look at that thing. I don't want to sell any of this. I can't even believe this. I'm mad at her for giving me so many good things. Actually, I'm not mad at all. Oh my God. I can't, oh my, wait till you see this thing. This is, if this doesn't have my name on it, oh my God. It's a dress. I thought this was, oh my. I love the brand Etro. Did you know that? I love anything Etro, and look at this beautiful dress. It's a size 46. It's silk. And it still has the price tag on it. Now, I don't know if there's anything wrong with it. One thing I've come to learn since becoming a reseller, and especially a full-time reseller, is just because something is new, tags does not mean that there's nothing wrong with it. Sometimes there is. So I will look this over, but I don't think it's ever been worn because look it still has the price tag on it for $1,195. $1,195. Look at this gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna give you a more second to look at that. $1,195, size 46. And then here's the other side, Etro. I love Etro. Every time I thought it was a scarf at first because it kind of looks like it, but it's like a midi dress and it's 100% silk. Size 46. Oh my gosh. That is too small for me, I'm going to tell you right now. Or is it though? Or is it? I think that it's probably too small, but I can't believe, Janet, this is what you sent. I cannot. Oh my gosh. Okay. I can't. These are Valentino Garavani, and they look like they're extremely, oh my gosh, they're in my size. Why? Look at these shoes. They're Valentino Garavani. Look how clean they are on the inside. They've got the cutouts. And then, wow. They're in excellent condition. There's the bottom. The black is hardly worn off at all. They're size 38 and a half. And then here's the name so you can see it. But they're super clean. I don't know if they were ever worn. If these fit me, they're 38 and a half. If these fit me, I'll be keeping them. Look at them. They're so, so cute. I love pointy toes. This is like the best haul ever. Janet, I owe you. I owe you. Big time. I can't believe the things you've sent me so far. And then there's even more. I can't believe it. Wait till you see the next thing. Oh my. They're Louboutins. Louboutins. They're black Louboutins. Look at those. Oh my God. Now I can't wear those. So there's no chance I can keep them. But they 39. So there's a little bit of a chip in the heel here. That's one thing. These are Louboutins. They're peep toe. They're high heel, probably about a 5-inch heel at least. Peep toe, leather. The leather's in good condition. The heels are in good condition except what I showed you. The inside is in pretty good condition too. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I ever did to deserve this box, Janet. My God. Oh, okay. So these are a size 39, by the way. There's the bottoms. So some of the red has, as soon as you wear a pair of Louboutins, it starts to wear off. Somebody must have scraped the back of something. See this right up here? This is kind of chipped, but you could probably glue that right back on. This does not affect the integrity of the piece, of the shoes. So I'll clean out the bottom of those so they look nicer and condition the leather. I'm afraid to look. There's so many nice things in here. I feel like I got way too many good things. Way. What is this beautiful? Oh, what? Janet, it's Chanel. It's Chanel. It's a slip. I'm pretty sure it's a silk slip. Oh my God. It's a size 36, so that's like a 0 or a 2. I can't ever remember, but they're so far away from my size. I wish it wasn't, but that's a slip. It's a silk slip. I can tell it's silk. And look at the beautiful up close. Can you see the little pattern on there? It's really kind of hard to show. Can you see the pattern? Anyway, it's a size 36. I don't see anything wrong with this. Hold on. What does this say? Made in Italy, size 36. Oh, 27% polyester, 20% silk, 17% cotton, 9% nylon, and 3% viscose. That is quite the... It feels like silk to me. It feels very, very... What's the word? It feels super luxurious, like Chanel always does. And look at this. No. I can't even... This is the best box I've ever gotten. I can't. Janet, I don't know. I can't even believe this, honestly. There's more. There's 2 more pairs of shoes. And she sent me way too good of stuff. Way too good. I cannot. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Jeez. Oh, okay. Chanel. Another Chanel. Oh my gosh. Chanel. Look at these. Look at these. Look it up close. They're so beautiful. And then there's the bottoms. I think they need a new heel tap. Like this one's gotten pretty down there. But anyway, they're gorgeous. They're in really good condition outside the heel tap. They're a size 41 and a half. And here they are. They're absolutely gorgeous. There's the inside. There's the inside. And I just had 1 pair of shoes that left. My mom just walked in the door. She's coming to get me. But anyway, these are spectacular. I can't believe this. There's another pair of shoes which I don't deserve because there's already too many things in... Oh my. These are Miu Miu, which is, by the way, a brand that is, I don't know if you would call it a diffusion. It's not diffusion, I don't think, but it's related somehow to Prada. But here are these Miu Miu shoes. They've got the cute little platform and this unique looking heel. That is really unique. My mom's watching me right now. Wait till I show her what Janet sent me. I don't know if Bryn had anything to do with it or if just Janet sent from HHH. I don't know for sure. But anyway, these are in great condition too. Look at they've got some, did I see some pink? There's a little bit of pink right there. Oops. There's a little bit of pink right there. Was it somewhere else? No. There's a little mark back there, but I mean, really, we're splitting hairs here. These are my size, but there's no way I'm wearing these. They would kill my feet. Ah, here's the pink. There's some pink right there. So I'll try and get that off, but even if not, I cannot believe this box. This is the best box I ever got in my whole life. Janet, I owe you something so huge. I'm going to send you more money. That's ridiculous. I just can't believe it. So anyway, I cannot say enough how much I love this box and how grateful I am to Janet for shipping me all these beautiful items. These are like the dream come true. One of these items would have been a dream come true, but they're all holy grail items. So, all right. Anyway, if you're interested in buying anything from this video, send me an email to mystuffstyle@gmail.com. Shipping will be $8 no matter how many you buy, and then I do invoice via PayPal. So I just can't. I can't take how many good items there are. Janet, thank you so much. And Bryn, if you're involved in it, thank you so much. Happy Hour Haulers. Go have a look at their channel. I will have it linked in the description of this video. So, oh my gosh, you've made my day. All right, have a good one, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up and the subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.